Breaking news coming in. Conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar has released an explosive letter from inside prison. He's made a sensational claim. The conman claims he was in a relationship with Bollywood actor Jacqueline Fernandez. He now claims that he's being made a scapegoat in this entire case and that his Bollywood friends are being targeted to defame him. Sukesh says he was under pressure and money was extorted by jail officials. He says he will be approaching court against the Enforcement Directorate, seizing some of his assets. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Anisha Mathur, who joins us for more on this big story. We'll also be joined by Munish in just a moment. But Anisha, bring us details of this explosive claim. And is there any substantive evidence to corroborate what he's claiming?
Well, Gaurav, this is a press release of sorts that Sukesh Chandrasekhar has sent via his lawyer to media persons. Today, he has claimed that this is a specifically a handwritten letter that he's sending out to put his side of the story outside. In fact, he said that he is being defamed by the media by being labeled a con man or as a thug, and he has made several other sensational claims, some of you which of course you just mentioned. That one, he has said that he's been a corporate lobbyist. He's been working with the Singh family, and that is why he had been working with them. He's claimed that there was no extortion involved there, that there were false allegations made against him because of internal disputes within the Singh family. He's also claimed that Makoka was registered against him because of his proximity to some political leaders. He's in fact claimed that his wife is also being targeted because of her relationship with him. And of course, one important claim that he's making is that he's being pressured and money is being extorted from him by prison authorities. He's going to move the court to initiate an inquiry against these officials. He's also made the sensational claim that he's been in a relationship. So this is a 4-page letter, effectively, Gaurav, that has in 10 paragraphs, he has sort of tried to put his side of the story out. He's claiming that so far the reporting that has been done about the cases that he's involved in, the statements that are being made by the investigation agencies are in fact defamatory to him, and all of the allegations against him and the fact that Bollywood celebrities are being questioned is solely to defame him and make him look in a bad light in society.
Stay with me for a moment. Let me also bring in Munish for more on the story. Munish, is there any corroborative evidence that he's put forward when he talks about alleged extortion by jail officials, or when he wants ED to release his property, or when he claims that he was in a relationship with a Bollywood actor? What else is he saying, and is there any evidence to it?
Well, Gaurav, since the time he was arrested and the first time Jacqueline name came into picture, then through his lawyer, Anant Malik, he made out a statement before media that Jacqueline was his girlfriend. He was in a relationship. That allegation has been denied by Jacqueline Fernandez. In his statement, she said that Sukesh Chandrasekhar is a con man and she's cooperating with the investigative agencies. Now, as far as the allegations against Sukesh Chandrasekhar is concerned, remember there are 32 cases against Sukesh Chandrasekhar since the time he was 17-year-old. From that time, he has been conning people. Now, as far as the word conman is concerned, investigative agencies like Delhi Police as well as the Enforcement Directorate, they have labeled and mentioned Sukesh Chandrasekhar as a conman because there are evidence, according to investigative agencies, where he was extorting businessman's wife by making spoof calls. We have also heard audio recordings in which Sukesh Chandrasekhar tried impersonating as government officials, right from Home Ministry officials to PMO officials. So these are the evidence which the agencies are claiming at this point of time. But one has to take this letter with a pinch of salt because, remember, he is accused in 32 cases, and in the recent case, he not only extorted businessman's wife for 215 crore, but also there are several actresses who have alleged that they were also conned by this person.
Keep tracking that story for the moment. Munish, many thanks.